Greetings from Prestige Electronics. This is a short demonstration video of Prestige Electronics manufactured stand S08 for testing 5 meter long stranded aluminium or copper power cables. The stand is highly recommended for cables from 100 square mm to 1000, 1200 or 1500 square mm stranded cables. The instrument has cable sag removal facility and can accurately measure the resistance at 1 meter length with highest degree of repeatability. We shall now make the connections to a 800 square mm stranded aluminium cable and demonstrate the stand and the stability performance on our equipment. Now making the connections on one side of the stand. Now the connection to the other side shall be made. Now here we have connected the cable on both the sides, but there is still lot of sag. You can see the cable is not straight, it is touching the bottom plate. So now what we shall do, we shall now straighten the cable first using the sag removal facility. Here you can see the cable is also very straight and sturdy now to make further connections. Here we have now made all the 4 connections to the stand using the equipment. First we will check the measurements. Here we can see the resistance value at ambient temperature is 38.3, 38.4 micro-ohms. The current ambient is 33 degrees and the corrected value that we are getting at 20 degrees is 36.4 micro-ohms. Here these are the connections made. Now the advantage of this stand is that this has made the conductor completely homogeneous. So even if I shift the slider slightly towards the right or towards the left, my reading will remain almost the same. In normal clamping arrangements, as the conductor is not homogeneous, as the current through the entire conductor is not constant, we find the issues of repeatability in the readings. Every time we do the measurements, the readings are different. But that is not the case with this clamping arrangements. Secondly, the cable is completely straight. Hence, the error of cable sag is also not present in these measurements. Now we can do the same as well. So here this is the reading. Now I will shift the position. The length of measurement is still 1 meter, just the location is different. Even here we can see the readings are same. If my clamping arrangement on both the sides are not sturdy and proper, you will not find such good results. We have made the special arrangements of clamping through which the current from all the 4 sides is uniformly flowing through the conductor. Now here you can see the reading. Even if I shift it to this side now, here you can see the reading is 38.2 microns. So the conductor is completely homogeneous and the readings at any 2 places between 1 meter length remains the same. Hence the stand is very well equipped for measuring the resistance values of high power cables right up to 1000 and 1500 square mm. This stand right now is a 5 meter length but there are various configurations 5, 4, 3, 2 as per customer requirement that can be customized. Should you require any other details, please feel free to contact the manufacturer.